Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to save project in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, here you can see, here is my project right coming onto my screen. But if I want to save this project, we don't have any option for it. But there is a feature in the CapCut that automatically saves the project. So if you just add something like, now I want to add more effects, like I want to add some of the stickers right over here from here, and let's just add one more. So here is my project right now. Okay, so I want to save it. How we can do that? It's automatically will save the project. Let's just cancel the project or close the project. Now here is my project. Okay, so if we just open up the project right now, and you can see it's automatically saved. And also, if you just want to share the project, you can share it by going to this path in your PC. Like if you just select the gray area into the timeline and click on the modify, here is the path. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to select this option, save media to project, and then save. Then from this path you can take out the project which is being used in the CapCut. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.